This credit card mistake ends up costing $181,000. Not because of the balance and not because of the interest rate, but because of what it quietly steals. Here's the situation. An $8,500 credit card balance, a 20% interest rate, a $70,000 income, and no savings. This situation is nothing extreme or unusual. This might even be your current situation. The mistake isn't opening the card, it's choosing the path that feels normal, making just minimum payments instead of paying the balance down aggressively. Imagine if two people earn the same income, have the same lifestyle, and they work just as hard. But one of them chooses minimum payments. That decision stretches the balance over about 18 years. During that time, more than $12,000 goes to interest alone. But that's not the real cost. The real cost is what that money never becomes. At first, the gap is small, then it starts to grow, and then it accelerates. Over 18 years, that missed momentum adds up. In total, the difference reaches $181,000. This isn't about discipline, and it isn't about intelligence. It's about how time compounds small decisions. Subscribe for more money insights.